1. Swap potato chips with kale chips. First up, trade in those greasy potato chips for crunchy kale chips. Kale is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and is a great source of fiber. You can easily make them at home with a little olive oil and your favorite seasonings. Simply tear the kale into bite-sized pieces, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until crispy. Not only are they healthy, but they also have a satisfying crunch that will make you forget all about traditional chips. 2. Swap candy bars with dark chocolate. Instead of reaching for a sugary candy bar, try a piece of dark chocolate. Opt for chocolate with at least 70% cocoa to get the benefits of antioxidants without the excess sugar. Dark chocolate can help lower blood pressure and improve brain function. For an added treat, you can even melt some dark chocolate and dip fresh fruit like strawberries or bananas for a sweet, indulgent snack that's still healthy. 3. Swap soda with sparkling water. Next, ditch the soda and grab a sparkling water. It gives you the same fizzy satisfaction without the empty calories and high sugar content. You can make it even more enjoyable by adding a splash of natural fruit juice or fresh fruit slices. Try combinations like lime and mint, or berries and lemon. This way you can enjoy a refreshing drink that hydrates you without the sugar spike. Swap ice cream with Greek yogurt. When you're craving something cold and sweet, go for Greek yogurt instead of ice cream. It's high in protein and probiotics, which are great for your digestion and gut health. You can create endless flavor combinations by adding fresh or frozen fruits, nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Freeze the yogurt with some mixed berries and nuts for a few hours to make a frozen yogurt treat that's just as satisfying as ice cream. Swap fries with sweet potato wedges. Replace those deep-fried potatoes with baked sweet potato wedges. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and fiber. They have a natural sweetness that makes them delicious even without added sugars. Cut them into wedges, toss them with a bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. For extra flavor, you can add spices like paprika or cinnamon. Swap sugary cereals with oatmeal. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal instead of sugary cereals. Oatmeal is a whole grain that keeps you full longer and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. You can make it savory with a poached egg and avocado, or sweet with fruits, nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. For a quick breakfast, try overnight oats by soaking oats in milk, or a dairy-free alternative with your favorite toppings. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and you'll have a ready-to-eat, nutritious breakfast in the morning. Swap cookies with homemade energy balls. Instead of cookies, try homemade energy balls. Made with oats, nut butter, and a touch of honey, these are easy to make and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while providing a boost of energy. You can add ingredients like chia seeds, dried fruit, or dark chocolate chips to customize them to your taste. Simply mix the ingredients, roll them into balls, and refrigerate. They're perfect for a quick snack on the go. Love pizza? Try making it with a cauliflower crust. It's lower in carbs and calories, but still gives you that pizza fix. Start by grating a head of cauliflower and steaming it until tender. Then, mix it with an egg, some cheese, and seasoning to form your crust. Bake it until golden. Then add your favorite toppings and bake again until the cheese is melted and bubbly. You won't even miss the traditional crust. When you need something sweet, grab fresh fruit instead of candy. Fruits are naturally sweet and loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Keep a variety of colorful fruits on hand to satisfy those sugar cravings. Try making a fruit salad or fruit skewers for a fun and visually appealing snack. Fruits like apples, berries, and oranges are not only delicious, but also provide a great boost of energy. Finally, instead of sugary muffins, enjoy a slice of homemade banana bread. Use whole wheat flour, ripe bananas, and a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. You can add nuts, seeds, or dark chocolate chips for extra flavor and nutrition. Bake a loaf and enjoy it as a breakfast treat or a midday snack. It's a great way to enjoy a baked good without the guilt. And there you have it. These 10 swaps will help you stay on track with your health goals while still enjoying delicious snacks. Remember, making small changes can lead to big results. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy living tips. Thanks for watching.